Step 1. Embrace the basics. The first and most crucial step in mastering the art of drawing is to embrace the basics. Familiarize yourself with the essential drawing materials, such as pencils, erasers, paper, and pens. Graphite pencils in various grades are ideal for starting as they allow you to control the darkness and lightness of your lines. Explore different types of paper and find one that suits your preferred drawing style. Once you have your materials ready, start by practicing basic shapes and lines. Draw circles, squares, triangles, and freehand lines to get comfortable with your tool. The key to progress at this stage is to practice regularly. Set aside dedicated time for drawing every day, even if it's just a few minutes. Consistent practice will help you develop muscle memory and hand-eye coordination, making your lines smoother and more controlled. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and improve. Step 2. Study perspective and proportions. Understanding perspective and proportions is essential for creating realistic and convincing drawings. Perspective is the technique that gives your artwork a sense of depth and three-dimensionality. There are various types of perspective, including one-point, two-point, and three-point perspective. Learn how to apply these principles to draw objects and scenes with accurate spatial relationships. Proportions, on the other hand, deals with the size and scale of objects and figures in your drawing. Study human anatomy and the proportions of the human body to create more lifelike figures. Practice drawing objects from different angles and perspectives to hone your skills in depicting accurate proportions. Step 3. Explore different styles and techniques. Drawing offers a vast range of styles and techniques to explore, and this step encourages you to experiment with various approaches to find your unique artistic voice. Realism is about creating drawings that closely resemble real-life subjects, while impressionism focuses on capturing the essence and meaning of the scene. Cartooning allows you to exaggerate features and emotions, create fun and playful characters, and abstract art leaves you with a constraint of realism, enabling you to express emotions and ideas in a more symbolic way. In addition to styles, explore various drawing techniques to add depth and texture to your artwork. Cross-hatching involves drawing parallel lines in different directions to create shading, while stippling uses small dots to create tones. Blending involves smoothly transitioning between different values, and shading allows you to create a sense of volume and form. As you experiment with these styles and techniques, you'll discover which ones resonate with you the most and suit your artistic vision. Step 4. Seek inspiration and learn from others. Artists grow by drawing inspiration from various sources and learning from the work of others. Attend art exhibitions, visit museums, and immerse yourself in art books and magazines to expose yourself to different art styles and ideas. Follow artists online and join art communities to engage in discussions, share your work, and receive constructive feedback. Learning from other artists' experiences and techniques can provide valuable insights and motivate you to push your boundaries. Observe how other artists use composition, color, and lines to convey emotions and ideas in their drawings. Analyze their artwork to understand the thought process behind their choices. Don't be afraid to adapt and incorporate elements you admire into your own work, infusing your unique style and perspective. Step 5. Practice, patience, and perseverance. Becoming a proficient artist requires dedication and discipline. Introduction. Drawing is a beautiful form of expression that allows individuals to convey their thoughts, emotions, and ideas through lines, shapes, and colors. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to enhance their drawing skills, mastering the art of drawing can be a fulfilling and enjoyable journey. In this guide, we will outline 5 easy steps to help you get started on your path to becoming a confident and skilled artist. Step 1. Embrace the basics. The first step to mastering drawing is to familiarize yourself with the fundamental techniques and tools. Start by acquiring basic drawing materials, such as graphite pencils, erasers, paper, and drawing pens. Practice using these tools to create simple shapes, lines, and strokes. This initial phase is crucial as it helps build muscle memory and hand-eye coordination, laying a solid foundation for more complex drawings later on. Step 2. Study perspective and proportions. Understanding perspective and proportions is vital for creating realistic and visually appealing drawings. Learn about 1-point, 2-point, and 3-point perspective to give your artwork depth and dimension. Study human anatomy and various objects to grasp their proportions accurately. Regularly practice sketching different objects from multiple angles to hone your observation skills and improve your ability to represent them realistically on paper. Step 3. Explore different styles and techniques. Drawing offers immense flexibility in terms of style and technique. Experiment with various styles, such as realism, impressionism, cartooning, and abstract, to discover your artistic voice. Additionally, explore different drawing techniques like cross-hatching, stippling, blending, and shading to add depth and texture to your artwork. Don't be afraid to mix and match styles and techniques. This will help you develop a unique artistic identity. Step 4. Seek inspiration and learn from others. As you progress in your drawing journey, seek inspiration from other artists. Attend art exhibitions, explore art books, and follow artists online to broaden your artistic horizons. Observe how they use lines, colors, and composition to convey their ideas. Learning from other artists' works can provide valuable insights and spark your creativity. Step 5. Practice, patience, and perseverance. Mastering the art of drawing requires consistent practice, patience, and perseverance. Set aside regular time for drawing sessions and challenge yourself with different subjects and styles. Don't get discouraged by mistakes or initial difficulties. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and improve. Remember, every artist faces hurdles, and growth comes with continuous effort and dedication. Conclusion. Drawing is a journey that never truly ends, and there is always room for improvement and innovation. By embracing the basics, understanding perspective and proportions, exploring different styles, seeking inspiration, and dedicating yourself to practice, you can master the art of drawing. Allow your creativity to flow and enjoy the process, as each stroke of your pencil brings you closer to becoming the artist you aspire to be. Happy drawing!